are pleased to show you the 2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, dual airbags, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security alarm, power windows, compass, fog lamps, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, front reading lamps. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience, so stop in for a test drive today.